how to learn the English language with the AI and how can AI can help us the how to speak the fluently English with the AI. And guys, you can speak the English language, you could easily unlock the new opportunity in your life. It is my segmentations, then I would recommend you must learn the English language in your life. And now the question here that why should we learn the English language for the our life and what the need and why should we learn? Now three basics answers. Number one, unlock the opportunities. Opportunity means you could easily unlock the new opportunities. Suppose that you are gonna to learn the some courses like AI prompt engineering and any courses. But these courses available on the English language. Then tell me how would you learn the courses? The answer is opportunity. Unlock the new opportunity in your life. And now second is an engaging look. And if you're speaking the English with the front of the peoples, then you are looking the so engaging and fascinating in the front of the peoples and looking so cool. Now third, first and perhaps most important things is the confidence of the key. Then you speak at the front of the people's meetings and environment. And now environment of the people's, then you are looking the so engaging and so confident. You could easily increase your master communications and boost your confidence because you have confidence. You could easily promote your jobs. And suppose that you are doing the job and you might take the easy promotion in your job and you might take the higher position of your job and take the best positions in your company, and that reason we should learn the English language. But condition here that how to learn is and how to speak, but I don't have any person to speak like a pro. I don't have any person to practice like him. Now I'm tell the how to use it. Got it? And now on within the episode. Let's start it. Open the ChatGPT and ask, get the grammar check mistake of my English. Then suppose that I have to learn the English language, but my grammar is not correctly. Then I have to do the something correctly grammar. Then I get the new ideas. Then how to measure my grammar mistake. The ChatGPT get the grammar mistake and how to practice the grammar with your native languages. And suppose that you are practicing the 16 days grammar, it is a cherry on the cake. You could easily transform your communications with the 16 days. It is not a joke. Then after 16 days of practice, your English is reach out the next levels. It is the help of the AI. And now second part is playing the mysterious and astonishing result for your communications. Got it? Then firstly, stand out and learning the 10 vocabulary new days. Suppose that you are a stand out and take the books and find it the 10 vocabulary with your books and learn it. It is a good part of your master class, and you could easily reach out the higher level of the communications because you have a extra vocabulary, extra words. You're not fumbling. If you are speaking the, you will never fumble. And third, stand out the front of the mirror and speaking with yourself with the English languages. It doesn't matter you are people or not. Just speaking with your mistake and find it to your mistake and learn to your mistake and stand out it. And this is my recommendation. Then I learned the same process of this English language, and it is my journey and I shared with you. Then I finished my work and I'm speaking the front of you. Then my native language is the Hindi language and my mother tongue is Bhojpuri languages. But you can see now I'm speaking the Hindi, Marathi, Bhojpuri and English. And you have a question for me, then you're free to ask me in the comments box. And please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.